Today we're making Hello Dollies, also known as 7-layer cookie bars. Hi everyone, welcome to Black Cat Kitchen. I hope you're doing well. Today we're making Hello Dollies, also known as 7-layer cookie bars. These cookie bars are a layer of graham crumbs with butter, sweetened condensed milk, walnuts, chocolate chips, and coconut on top. And then it gets baked in the oven until it's ooey and delicious and golden on top. These cookies were my favorite childhood treat and my mom's specialty. I thought now would be the perfect time to share this recipe with you as it's my mom's birthday, so make sure you wish her a happy birthday down in the comments. Let's get started. See the description below for a list of ingredients. We're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. I've lined a 9 by 13 inch pan with butter and parchment so that the Hello Dollies come out nice and easy. Here I've used 225 grams of digestive biscuits, but graham crackers are traditional. To this, I'm going to add 113 grams of melted butter. Stir it all together until it forms a nice wet sandy paste. Just tip your graham crumbs into your pan. I'm just going to spread them around. You want a nice even layer, and then I'm just going to press it into place. Here's a top tip when you're working with condensed milk. Take your jar ahead of time and put it into a bowl with just boiled water. This allows that sweet, sticky milk to loosen up so it's easier to pour out of the can. I've dried off my can and now I'm going to pour the milk all over our base. See how much runnier that is? You just want to get it all spread out to the edges, just so it covers the whole base. Don't worry if a few little bits come up. It's part of the charm. I've seen these made a lot of ways, but my mom always layered her walnuts first. So I'm using 105 grams of walnut pieces. Next, 200 grams of chocolate chips. I'm using dark chocolate. You can use semi-sweet. You can even mix up your chocolate chips. You can use butterscotch as well as chocolate, but this is my mom's recipe, and so I'm going to be quite traditional about it. And last but certainly not least, 90 grams of coconut. I've done this with shredded or desiccated, whatever coconut you can find. It always turns out nice. And that easy, it's ready for the oven. Everyone's oven is a little bit different, so you'll want to keep a close eye. These can take anywhere from 15 to 25 minutes, but what you're really looking for is a nice golden coconut and a few little bits of that milk bubbling up around the edges. You should see a few little burbles of your milk just like this, and you can notice that the coconut is nicely toasted. You'll want these to cool to room temperature before attempting to slice them. It's the perfect combination of textures and flavors. As a child, you don't really realize how complex they are. You just know they're delicious. But you've got that buttery base from those biscuits and the butter in there. And then you've got that creamy, sweet, sticky milk, those crunchy bits of walnut, and that dark chocolate really cuts through to sort of bring down the sweetness a little bit. And then you've got that gorgeous flaked coconut on top. It is just heavenly. These also freeze really well, so you can put them in a container with wax paper in between each layer and stick them in the freezer and save them for another time. Wishing a big happy birthday to my mom and Gordon and Zelda's grandmom. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and we'll see you down in the comments. See you next time.